Okay, we are back here in Chinatown, Philadelphia. We just walked through here last week. We just walked through here. So we're back here in Chinatown, Philadelphia. We're looking for Carter's Cheesesteak. We're going to get a cheesesteak this afternoon. So we're looking for Carter's Cheesesteak. I believe I walked past it last week when we did the walking tour. But I'm going to look for that today for my lunch. Since I'm done work early today, we're going to get ourselves a cheesesteak. And the funny thing about Carter's Cheesesteaks, it is, hold on one second. Oh, I think I see it across the street. Get across this busy street. Now the thing about Carter's Cheesesteaks is the first black-owned business in Philadelphia's Chinatown. And Philadelphia's Chinatown is over 150 years old. So yes, it is over 150 years old. And Carter's Cheesesteaks is the first black-owned business and the only black-owned business in Philadelphia's Chinatown. So yeah, we're gonna go there and see if we can get something to eat. Are they open? I'm not sure. I think I got the lights on. I see the upstairs is open. So yeah, Carter's Cheesesteaks is the first black-owned business in Chinatown. So, and the only black-owned business in Chinatown. So yeah, let's go get ourselves a cheesesteak here. I think they're open. I think they serve breakfast. Yeah, they're open. Hello, how are you? Hi. Not sure. Let's see. Good question. I'll take a regular ribeye steak.
All right, can we start with your name?
Whatever you recommend.
Your name?
Oh, Les, I'm sorry.
Les?
Yeah, LES, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, LES.
All right, so you said a regular ribeye, right?
Yes.
You want that with Cooper sharp cheese?
Yes.
Salt, pepper, ketchup, mayo?
Yes. No mayo. No mayo.
Mayo? All right, would you like any fried onions?
Yes, fried onions. Sweet peppers.
Sweet pepper?
Yes.
Anything else for you today?
So fries.
Sure.
That's to go.
All right. Would you like anything to drink?
No.
All right, so we got the regular ribeye steak, Cooper sharp cheese, fried onions, sweet peppers, salt, pepper, and ketchup.
Yes.
All right, your total is
Alright, so yeah, so we got our Carter's Cheesesteaks. And we gotta go home because I have a meeting at home, and you know, I always gotta go home for something, right? So we're headed home. We're gonna try out our Carter Cheesesteaks. I know it's best to try it in the store, of course. It's best to try it in the restaurant, of course. But I have a meeting. Got off work early, so I have something to do. So we're gonna try out our Carter's Cheesesteaks at home. First black-owned business in Chinatown, the only black-owned business in Chinatown. So let's head home. Let's head home. Going through Chinatown. It's busy today. Busy today. I could do a separate video for all this action. But we're going home, eat our cheesesteaks. It is popping out here today. Yeah, early afternoon. Might make it home and see some football. I already did a walking tour of this area before, so I won't do another one today. But it is really busy today. I hope I don't get mugged on the train. Everybody smelling how good my cheesesteak smells. So I hope nobody gets me on the train. Take my cheesesteak from me. Just joking, just joking. Kind of. Hello. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, the Tesla with the butterfly door. Any questions, you can always message me. But for now, I want to hop myself on this train and go home. Okay, we're back home. We got our Carter's cheesesteak. We're gonna give it a try, our fries. We're back home. I changed my clothes real quick, took a quick shower. Okay, we're gonna try our cheesesteak out. We got our Carter's cheesesteak, we got our fries. Got our Carter's cheesesteak, we got our fries. Ooh, it smells good. Can you see that? Okay. Whatever she seasoned these with, pretty good. It's not just salt. As you can see, it's like oregano and something else. It's like oregano, maybe a little hint of Old Bay seasoning, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to find out. Yeah, maybe it's a little hint of Old Bay seasoning. A little bit. And these fries are good. I saw her tossing them. I knew she was mixing them with something. But they might not even need ketchup. These are good like this. Cheesesteak got a little weight to it. Fries are still hot. Cheesesteak is still hot. I got home a little bit faster than I anticipated, so. Wow, so much cheese and meat sticking to the wrapper. Good. Fries are good. But I love ketchup, so I'm gonna put ketchup on it anyway. I love ketchup, so. I'll just put on half the fries. So yeah, put on half the fries. So yeah, I got cheesesteak, got the fried onions, cheese. I don't think I said ketchup. I meant to, right? So, got a little bit of ketchup on there. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So yeah. So yo, these cheesesteaks are husky. Yo. Look at all that meat. How many eat all that meat? Pause. Yo. So yeah, there's the Carter's cheesesteak. Chinatown, Philadelphia. Race Street. Look at that. Look at that roll. Look at that roll. You see? Look at that roll. Look at all that meat. Yo, it's a lot of meat. sweet peppers. Yeah. Hey, this is ribeye steak, so it's ribeye chopped steak. So it's pretty good. A lot of times I get extra cheese on my cheesesteaks. Not from Wawa, get from anywhere else. Usually I say extra cheese. This thing don't need it. They put a nice amount of cheese on here. I taste it every bite. The ribeye steak is good. See the sweet peppers, fried onions, salt and pepper. I don't usually get salt and pepper. I usually just get pepper only. But salt and pepper is on here, just good. Yeah. About now when the meat falls out, I heard him put it back in, but I don't have to. There's so much meat in here. That's a lot of meat. I'm eating meat all day. But yeah, it's good. You know, you size. These fries are great. Yeah, these fries are nice. Fries are nice. Fries are nice. Drooling. No, these fries are nice. We need to ask them next time what do they toss these fries in. They're good. Yeah, I like this a lot. I believe this is my first time ever getting a cheesesteak in any city's Chinatown. Philadelphia Chinatown, any Chinatown I've been to. I think this is my first time ever getting a cheesesteak out of Chinatown. It's pretty good for my first. And you never forget your first. Yeah, this is nice. Nice. This is nice. Yeah, I might have lunch and dinner here. Oh, sesame roll. Wonder where they get the rolls from. These are good. Soft. Good roll. A good roll can make or break a cheesesteak. We got a winner here. Yeah, you got a winner here. Very nice. So Carter's cheesesteak, like I said, I gotta check. That's on Ray Street in Chinatown, Philadelphia. No, it's 10th and Race, 11th and Race. Might be 11th and Race. But anyway, it's near Reading Terminal Market. So you can go both places, get your lunch, dinner. Did you see all the people that was in Chinatown today? Wow. Today would have been a good day to do a Chinatown video. A lot of action out there. It's cold too. Right? There's no way I'm gonna finish this whole cheesesteak right now. This thing is hefty. Whole half. This is a meal right here. So for the cheesesteak and the fries and a 15% tip that you can put on the card machine when they charge you to ask for the tip on the machine, and they have a tip can if you have cash, I guess. Maybe you have cash. Well, that's a 15%. That's a 15% this time. If I eat in there, I probably would choose more if I'm making a mess in there, but anyway. So after the tip, got the fries, cheesesteak, the 15% tip. It all came to $27. 27 USD. I'm about done after this first half. I'm gonna take me a long break. Got my food digest. So we finally made it there. The Carters. They did not disappoint. This is great. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time, peace. Peace, 2 fingers.
Uh-huh.